morning, everyone. Welcome to Brilliance in You. I'm Shivani, your host for today's conference. Welcome to Cybersecurity and Forensics Virtual Conference 2020. Brilliance in You is an international open community for emerging technologies like blockchain, AI, ML, deep learning, and computer vision, cybersecurity, and forensics. We did live webinars, workshops, conferences, and summits related to articles and research papers and magazines. We provide open membership to our community and we are spread over 10 countries worldwide. So topic for today is cybersecurity. So today we have with us is Ms. Harneet Kaur. So she is a security operations specialist having experience of 3 years in information security, web application firewall, web application security, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment and handling cyber incidents. So, well, that was a great introduction for you. So, would you like to say something on the topic for today?
I would just say that the topic that I have selected is personally a bit close to me because I seriously felt in this 3 years of journey, I felt that there are less women in this field, and I
Yeah,
also felt that it is people should take part in this field, that it is having many things, and it is a very vast field. So people should take interest in this field.
okay. So, I have prepared few questions for you. So, should I start with first? So, my first
Yes,
question.
we can start with the question.
Okay, my first question to you is that who is your inspiration to get into cybersecurity? Can you please share your journey with us?
Okay, so I started my career with Indusface. Here's in Baroda. It is a small company of security. So when I was in college, I was not knowing that security is a part is a part, and this is also some field. So I was wondering for job, and I came to them, and then I realized that this is also a field. Then I started my career with them. I came to know many things about cybersecurity. I started learning on the things, and since it is a vast domain, I selected my domains in it. And I think working with them make me realize that this is the field where you can enhance your skills. This is the field where where learning never stops. So that is the I think that was the time when I realized that I should continue my career in cybersecurity.
Yeah, nice. So, like, what do you think there is a need of women in cybersecurity?
Okay, so for this, I would share some stats with you first, and then I'll tell you that why there is a need of women in cybersecurity. It estimated that in cybersecurity, 350% of cybersecurity jobs are unfilled from 2013 to 2021. The New York Times has given the prediction that 3.5 million jobs are unfilled by 2021. The candidates who are applying in this field are fewer than one of the four who are qualified, and this was the stat given by MIT Technology. Also, this is a field where, you know, looming threats, there are many threats day by day that is coming. So to deal with all those threats, we require very knowledgeable, capable, and hardworking people. And the need of women is that in the cybersecurity is considered as a masculine field. You know, people do not take interest in cybersecurity. They think that it is a male job, and hence it gives it affects the impression. It gives the impression to women that it is a very technical job and it will be a boring job. But this is not the truth. Means they can also take part in this. Then if you see this is in cybersecurity, the situation is same as World War II, wherein the women used to work in the roles that were designed for men.
Yeah,
So that is so they should work here also. They should take part in cybersecurity, and they should break all these barriers and perceptions and try to, you know, enhance their knowledge and show their capabilities.
yeah, very true, very true. Now, like during this phase, from right when you started until where you are right now, what challenges do you think
Mm.
you have faced, and or you have seen some women facing those in the field of cybersecurity?
There are many challenges. Everyone faces challenges in their field, where whosoever is going in any of the field. In cybersecurity, as I said, the most foremost first most challenge is the perception. As I said earlier, that it has been considered as a masculine job. So that is one perception has been created, that that women can do this job. This job is only for males. And also we have seen, people having a thought process like that, that if they are having a male subordinate, they can contact them anytime, because cybersecurity is a field where you need a people, 24/7. Anytime anything can happen. So so managers sometimes think that if they are recruiting a male subordinate, they can contact that person anytime, whereas if you are hiring a female subordinate, the same case is not there. So that is the perception, maybe because this is their their commitment towards the professional or personal life. That is the reason, I think, that is the first perception that has been made. Other is that I have never seen women taking interest in cybersecurity, because yes, the impression that has been given, that it is a very technical job and it is a boring job. And that is the reason, I think, that is the second challenge. I think for this to overcome this challenge, we should give a proper we should encourage the youth and proper marketing of the cybersecurity roles to be done to women. So I think this can improve and this challenge can be overcome.
Yeah, yeah, very true. Like, there are many women coming up in this field. Even I'm one of them. So, what are your
Hmm.
suggestions, like, for them to consider in the career? I mean, to how to get to that point in this field?
So, okay. So I would say that, just be determined. Don't be intimidated. Means you do not. This is a field that where you do not have to, worry of anything, because this is a field where you need every day. You have to keep on learning. You will never find a person that whom you can say that this person know everything in cybersecurity, because there is no such person. Every day there are things are coming up, and new attacks are coming, new things are coming up in cybersecurity. So this is a field where you have to keep on learning. So if you are learning daily, if you are enhancing your skills, then I would then no you should you should seriously pursue, and you should not be afraid of anything. Though
Yes,
it is considered as a masculine job or anything, you have to just enter this field and break all those barriers.
yes, yes, very true. So, like, there are many women who are willing to start their careers in this field. I've seen many of them. Even you are as experienced. You also might have seen that they want to get in. So, what
Hmm.
tips would you like to suggest for them?
In tips, I would say that you can when once you are done with your internal reading, because everyone does a personal research on the if you are entering any field. When you are done with this these kind of the internal reading and reading courses, online courses, if you are done with that, after that I would say that you should go out and meet people who are in industries. You can you can meet people via LinkedIn, Twitter, or you can go to the conferences. We have seen many conferences getting for cybersecurity have been organized. You can join those conferences, online conferences they can join. They can you can meet some people who are already established, well established in industry. See what is, so if you are going out and you are making networks, what is happening, that if you are creating a network, that person can even help you in guiding that how you can pursue your career in cybersecurity. That person can, if the person is already established, and if he comes to know that these are your skills, he can explain you in which direction you should move. Because as I said earlier also, that cybersecurity is a field where you will find different many domains. There are many, it itself is a very vast field. So if you are interacting with people, you will come to know that yes, this is also a thing, this is also a thing that I don't know, I should be prepared of these things. So this is the first step, I'll say, that go out and interact with people, make your network, make your connections, and this will help you in building your career path in cybersecurity. Another one, I'll say, always act with confidence. If you
Yeah.
are having confidence on yourself, then the person who is guiding you will also be able to show confidence on you. If you are not showing, we have seen people in many of the fields, we have seen people that they do not say things with full confidence, because they might be worried that this is not 100% correct or not. Whereas if you see men, they say whatever they want to say, they say with full determination that yes, this is the thing, whether it is a lie only, they will say this
Yes,
also with
yes,
a very
very
full
true.
determination. So that is the confidence that one should have. Then I'll say that if you want to start your career, and if you're looking, and if you're not getting any of the any points that any dot that you can connect, then I'll say that you can check internally in your current organization. You can see that if they are having any field of security, you can start with them, because there are many things. If they are having any security awareness program, security management program, incident response program, any of the program, you can join them and you can gain knowledge in that. So
Yes,
these are some tips, I'll say. And last tip will, I'll say, as I said, is embrace your learning. Keep on learning the things, keep on learning blogs, on reading of the blogs of related to cybersecurity. What are the threats that are coming? Keep yourself updated. And if these are some of the tips that if you are following in your if you're building a career path in cybersecurity, so this will help you in upgrading yourself itself.
yes, 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 very true, very true. So, like, I think there are many association groups and everything for cyber security. So, at initially or maybe for rest of the journey, like, which associations would you like to recommend, like, to get in, to join in, to get all kind of information that different kind of people are there in it. They share the information and everything. So, what would you like to say on that?
Okay, so yeah, I would say that there are many associations have been in the world. There are many initiatives have been taken
Yeah.
for, especially for women. There are many initiatives have been taken to get them in this field, because this is the field that require lot of people. There are many, as the stats that I have shared with you, there are many unfilled job in this cyber security. So it requires both men and women, and this is the field where both men and women can get can have an impactful career together, and they can all, if they are working together, they can have a good success. So the initiatives that I am talking about, there are many initiatives. People are providing scholarships and incentives to women and young girls. They are providing these such things. So initiate you can say that women for cyber is one of the group. Cybercrime initiative is another group. Women leading privacy. There are these two three groups that I have named are some examples of the initiatives and the groups. These are the associations that that help you and recommend you that what is cybersecurity. They explain you everything, how you can pursue your career path in cybersecurity. So if you go on to Twitter, LinkedIn, or any groups, if you are having any of the social networking site, if you go on, you will find these all groups there. So I would definitely recommend everyone, or who is trying to pursue their career in cybersecurity, I would definitely recommend that please, I mean, follow these groups, talk to people, make your network. If you are talking to people, you will come out and you'll come to know that what things required in yourself. Just don't be afraid. It is not whatever it is. I mean, if it is, you are saying that it is a male dominated industries, just come out, talk to them, be confident, and show your knowledge to them, because this is the field that requires capable, hardworking, and knowledgeable person. So both men and women should work hand in hand and can have an impactful career in this.
Yes, yes, very true. And many of women, what they think is like, I think this cybersecurity is somewhat related to the criminals and everything. So some points, some might also think that could we just enter into some kind of police investigations or anything like that? Because we are dealing with criminals sometimes, those who are working
Yes,
in
yes.
cyber cell in police offices and everything. So
Hmm.
they tend to get a mindset that no, we'll be in danger if we go that side. It's better not to go. So this kind of
Yes.
mentality, how to change that? I mean, like,
Okay, so I'll for this I'll say that if you are thinking that you will be dealing with criminals, so uh, these people, those who are doing cyber crimes, yes, they are criminals, but they are human like us. So if they are having the knowledge and we are having more knowledge than them, I don't think that we should be afraid with them. We should have a capability to deal in such situation. We should be capable enough to help people. We have, that is what we have to, if we are having any kind of, we are having fear in ourselves, we have to break that comfort zone, our comfort zone, and come out. And we should work with all this field, because if you're working in cybersecurity, it helps people also. There are many, if you go out and if you check for the stats, there are many people, even in fact educated people, are becoming a victim of cyber
yeah.
crime. Educated people are becoming victim. So you should go out without having any fear. If you are fully, if you are very good to your knowledge, and just break this mentality, just work with them, just make sure, means you can try that. You have to work for people, you have to protect people with your skills. If you think that you are protecting your people, you are protecting your people, your surroundings with your skills, then I think that this mentality will be break.
Yes, yes, very true. Because I think this was an important part where the mentality of women somewhat kind of affect their careers also. So
Yes.
it initially starting with the cybersecurity. After you have got probable knowledge of it, like what are the threats and everything. So are there any kind of platforms like you should go and there are kind of programs? I mean, the companies and all those they just put in stuff about list of domains or anything like the company domain. They needs to be tested. So should they go and try for some kind of examine themselves that whether they are able to do the task or not? So are there any platforms available on that for that?
Yes, as I shared some 2 3 names with you. There are many platforms where you can, expose yourself. You can have, you can get connected to people. You can come to know that what all things are happening these days.
Yes,
There are platforms like OAPS Meet. It is there. Nullcon. There is a platform. Nullcon is a conference, or you can say is an event that is handled every year in Goa or anywhere, wherever they wish. But most probably the center is in Goa. So that is a 3 day or 4 day workshop, or a week full workshop, where people from, all over the world, globally, people come there, share their experience, do some live activities, engage people. So these are some 2 3 platforms where you can go out and you can enhance your knowledge. You can, you can meet more people, more knowledgeable people, because when you are going in such conferences, you see the people who are coming from global, all over the world people are coming. So when you go there, interact with them. If see if you are going there, if you are not participating anything, still I would say that you will gain many things from these platforms. So these are 2 3 some platform where, everyone should be aware of, or they can try to get in touch with, in these all groups.
yes, yes, very true. So, as you said, that there are many domains in itself. Cybersecurity is just a name, and it has several domains under it. So, what you would like to tell
Yes.
about, there are so many domains, and should we go for everything, or we
Hmm.
just need to focus on one, two, or three of them? So, how should we see this particular domain?
Okay, as I said, there are many domains. So when you are starting your career, as I started my career in cybersecurity, when I started, so I was just a small, I was just a small engineer then. But where I was sitting, I was getting knowledge of everything. So from there, I decided that these are two, three fields, these are two, three parts that are specific department of this. So there, from there I started learning, and then I made a decision. So I will say that you do not have to go in all the domains. All If you are having a basic knowledge, you can start from any domain. And if you feel in which domain you are having interest, that you have to select that domain first, and then you can, and then try to gain knowledge in that. And if you are having any problem, that if you are not getting anything, or anything, that what to do, how to move ahead, you can connect with people who is already working in that domain, and he can ask him for his guidance. He can help you out. He or she, the person, can help you out how you can proceed further. So I'll say that you should not go in all, because it is also said that half knowledge is also dangerous. So with small knowledge also, I will not say that you should go, but select one or two domain. If you are having good skills, and you think that you can go do your job in two domain, you can do full you can do. So select accordingly and move further.
Yes, yes, very true. And would you like to share any views on like to motivate women who are women viewers to just do what they want? If they want to get in, just go and do it. So, what are your what do you want to say on
uh, I don't know. I will My speech will be, will be motivating anyone who is listening or not. But yes, I would say that, see, if you this is, as I said in my in previous talk also, that this is a field that require a lot of, knowledge, capability, many and hardworking. So if you are, if you are having a small bit knowledge of cybersecurity, I would say just read on it, and I will just say that take part in this cybersecurity field to break the perception and the barriers that people are having. You can be, if you're taking part and if you become successful, you can be, you can be an inspiration for yourself, or a company, or or a national security team, for you can. So that is why I'll say that be your own motivation, and try to be in this field.
Yes, yes, very true. So I would like to thank you for your taking out time for us for today, giving enlightenment for the women viewers like to get into this particular field. So thank you, ma'am, for joining us today. And I would also like to thank our viewers for their constant support and love. So if you all like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more content, please do put your suggestions in the comment box. So thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you.